The world is changing rapidly, and at the forefront of this change is artificial intelligence, or AI. This technology is not just for tech giants anymore. In 2024, anyone can harness the power of AI to boost their income. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or want to optimize your existing business, AI offers incredible opportunities. Imagine automating tasks, creating engaging content in minutes, or even predicting market trends with ease. This is the power of AI, and it's within your reach. This essay will be your guide to understanding and leveraging AI for financial gain. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities and take control of your financial future. AI might seem complex, but it's simply the ability of machines to learn and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Think of it as giving computers a brain. These brains can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. AI is everywhere. It powers your social media feeds, recommends products you might like, and even helps doctors diagnose diseases. But its potential goes far beyond these everyday applications. For individuals, AI presents a unique opportunity to work smarter, not harder. It can automate tedious tasks, unlock creative potential, and even provide insights into complex financial markets. Understanding AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity for anyone looking to thrive in the digital age. One of the most exciting ways to make money with AI is through side hustles. In today's fast-paced digital world, the opportunities to leverage artificial intelligence for personal and professional growth are expanding rapidly. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a new venture, AI tools can provide the edge you need to succeed. AI tools like ChatGPT and DALL have opened up new avenues for creative entrepreneurship. These tools are not just for tech enthusiasts. They are accessible to anyone willing to explore their potential. By harnessing the power of AI, you can transform your ideas into tangible products and services that stand out in the market. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a powerful language model. It can understand and generate human-like text, making it an invaluable tool for various applications. From drafting emails to creating complex narratives, ChatGPT can handle it all with ease. It can generate high-quality content, from blog posts and articles to social media captions and even poetry. Imagine the time you can save by automating these tasks, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business or creative projects. The versatility of ChatGPT makes it a game-changer for content creators. Imagine offering your writing services powered by ChatGPT, producing engaging content at an unprecedented speed. You can cater to a wide range of clients, from small businesses needing marketing copy to individuals looking for personalized writing. The efficiency and quality of AI-generated content can set you apart from the competition. On the visual side, DALL, also from OpenAI, allows you to create stunning images from text descriptions. This revolutionary tool can bring your visual ideas to life, whether you're an artist, designer, or entrepreneur. The ability to generate unique and high-quality images can enhance your projects and attract more clients. This AI tool can generate original artwork, illustrations, and even realistic photos. The creative possibilities are endless, from designing logos and marketing materials to creating custom artwork for clients. DALL's capabilities can help you stand out in a crowded market and offer something truly unique. You can sell these creations online, offer design services, or even use them to enhance your own content. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and your own website can serve as marketplaces for your AI-generated art. By showcasing your portfolio and marketing your services, you can reach a global audience and turn your passion into profit. These are just two examples of how AI is democratizing creativity and opening doors for anyone to build a profitable side hustle. The integration of AI into creative fields is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, the opportunities for innovation and entrepreneurship will only grow. Embrace the power of AI and start your journey towards a successful and fulfilling side hustle today. Section 4. AI-driven investing, letting the bots handle your portfolio. The world of investing can be complex and intimidating, but AI is changing the game. With the advent of artificial intelligence, the barriers to entry in the investment world are being lowered, making it more accessible to a broader audience. AI-powered trading bots are making investing more accessible and potentially more profitable for everyone. These bots are designed to handle the intricacies of the market, allowing even novice investors to participate with confidence. These sophisticated algorithms can analyze market data, identify trends, and execute trades at lightning speed, all without human intervention. They can process vast amounts of data in seconds, something that would take a human much longer to accomplish. This means they can react to market changes in real time, potentially maximizing returns and minimizing risks. The ability to make split-second decisions can be the difference between a profitable trade and a missed opportunity. Several platforms offer AI-driven investing solutions, catering to both beginners and experienced traders. These platforms provide a range of tools and resources to help investors make informed decisions. Some platforms focus on traditional stocks, while others specialize in cryptocurrencies. This diversification allows investors to spread their risk across different asset classes, potentially increasing their chances of success. However, it's important to remember that all investments come with risks. No system, no matter how advanced, can guarantee profits. The market is inherently unpredictable, and there are always factors that can affect the outcome of an investment. While AI can assist in making informed decisions, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and potentially consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. A well-rounded approach that combines AI insights with human judgment can lead to more balanced and informed investment strategies. Education and continuous learning are key. Many platforms offer educational resources, webinars, and seminars to help investors understand the tools at their disposal and how to use them effectively. Setting clear financial goals and having a well-thought-out investment strategy can also enhance the effectiveness of AI-driven investing. By understanding your risk tolerance and investment horizon, you can better align your portfolio with your financial objectives. Regularly reviewing your portfolio's performance and making necessary adjustments is essential. AI systems can generate detailed reports and insights, but it's up to the investor to interpret this information and make informed decisions. In conclusion, AI-driven investing offers a powerful tool for managing your portfolio. By leveraging advanced algorithms and real-time data analysis, investors can potentially achieve better outcomes. However, it's important to approach this technology with a balanced perspective, combining AI capabilities with human insight and due diligence. Section 5. Business Automation on Autopilot AI for Efficiency and Growth. In today's fast-paced business environment, staying ahead of the competition requires more than just hard work and dedication. It demands innovation, efficiency, and the ability to adapt quickly to changing market conditions. This is where AI comes into play, revolutionizing the way businesses operate and grow. For entrepreneurs and business owners, AI offers incredible tools for automation, streamlining operations, and boosting efficiency. Imagine having a virtual assistant that never sleeps, tirelessly working to ensure your business runs smoothly. AI can handle repetitive tasks, manage schedules, and even predict future trends, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. This translates to saved time, reduced costs, and ultimately, higher profits. By automating routine tasks, businesses can allocate resources more effectively, ensuring that human talent is utilized where it can make the most impact. This not only enhances productivity but also fosters a more innovative and dynamic work environment. One area where AI shines is customer support. In an age where customer expectations are higher than ever, providing timely and efficient support is crucial. AI-powered solutions can revolutionize customer service by offering instant, accurate responses to inquiries, ensuring that customers feel valued and heard. AI-powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries 24/7, providing instant responses and resolving issues efficiently. These chatbots are capable of understanding and processing natural language, making interactions feel more human and personalized. They can handle a wide range of queries, from simple FAQs to more complex troubleshooting, ensuring that customers receive the help they need whenever they need it. This frees up human agents to focus on more complex tasks, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. By leveraging AI, businesses can ensure that their customer service teams are not overwhelmed by routine inquiries, allowing them to dedicate their expertise to resolving more intricate issues and building stronger customer relationships. Email marketing is another area ripe for AI optimization. In the digital age, reaching the right audience with the right message at the right time is key to successful marketing campaigns. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends, enabling businesses to craft highly targeted and personalized email campaigns. AI algorithms can personalize email campaigns, analyze customer data to send targeted messages, and even optimize send times for maximum engagement. By understanding customer behavior and preferences, AI can help businesses create content that resonates with their audience, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversion. This leads to higher open rates, increased click-throughs, and ultimately, more conversions and sales. With AI, businesses can continuously refine their marketing strategies, ensuring that they stay relevant and effective in a constantly evolving digital landscape. By embracing AI automation, businesses can free themselves from tedious tasks, allowing them to focus on strategic growth and innovation. AI not only enhances operational efficiency, but also provides valuable insights that can drive strategic decision-making. By leveraging AI, businesses can stay ahead of the curve, continuously innovate, and achieve sustainable growth in an increasingly competitive market.